So in this video we'll talk about how you can use the new on-field events to create event handlers for a list control and a UX component that respond to events on individual field values in the list. So you can see we have a simple list over here, and when I click on any field value you can see that my event handler says that I clicked on row 1, so this is a zero-based count, so that's row 1. I clicked on the last name column, so that's what I clicked on, and a field value of roads. So if I go click there, you can see that's row 4. I clicked on the state column and a value of Massachusetts. So let's go now and take a look at how these new on-field events were set up. So we'll go now to the list properties and then open up list events, and then you can see in list events we have now on-field click, on-field double-click, and on-field right-click. And then if we look at the on-field click, we can see that the E object that gets passed into on-field click has in it row number, which is the zero-base row number that you clicked on, the field name that you clicked on, the value of the field that you clicked on, then and data, which is a JavaScript object which has the data for all of the fields in the current row. So you can see that in my alert here I'm just alerting you clicked on row, and then there's e.row number, e.field name, and e.field value. So basically you can see now when I go ahead and run it, the events are all working as expected. And behind the scenes, Alpha is using the new template item attribute, the A5-item attribute, automatically. So in order to learn more about the template items, you can watch the video that discusses template items. But behind the scenes, when you go ahead and you define these so-called field level events, we're generating template items automatically. So these event handlers are applied very efficiently with just one event handler that is added to the DOM, and then the events are delegated to that event handler. So thanks very much for watching.